What is the volume of the maximum number of 3/4 centimeter cubes that can be cut from a wooden cuboid measuring 30 centimeters by 18 centimeters by 5 centimeters?
Now, before you answer this question, you must think that this is a solid. This is not a liquid. So you cannot find using length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height for the big cuboid and then divided by the volume of a small cube. Now, this is the thing that you have to take note. This is a solid, right? So we have to work out one by one. So first, let's look at the length. Now, we're looking at the length. How many of this small cube can fill up the length? I hope you can see here. Now, first, the cube is 3/4 of a centimeter. So we ask ourselves, how many cubes can fit along the length of the cuboid? Okay, ask ourselves this question. So we know that it's 30 centimeter, alright, divided by 3/4 of a centimeter. With 30 centimeter multiplied by 4/3 of a centimeter, you have 40 cubes. So you are clear that this is 40 cubes. Now let's look at the breadth. So how many cubes can fit along the breadth of the cuboid? So similar concept is 18 cm. I divided by 3/4, so will be 18 centimeter multiplied by 4/3 of a centimeter, and you have 24 cubes. Now the trick part is now the height. So similarly, how many cubes can fit along the height? Now you see carefully, it's 5 centimeter. I divided by 3/4 of a centimeter, and you have 6 2/3. Now there's no way I can have 6 2/3 of a cube. So the maximum I can go is 6 cubes. That's the thing that you have to take note. So I can only take 6 cubes for maximum height. So now you have recalled your length 40 cubes, your breadth 24 cubes, and your height is 6 cubes. So total cubes that can fit be 40 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 6, and you have 5,760 cubes. So at the beginning of the question, I did say that you have to be clear that this is a solid. This is not a liquid. So you cannot find the big cuboid and then divide it by the volume of the small cuboid. So the concept is very wrong. So make sure you're careful about this question.